What is Mahabharata? The Mahabharata is an ancient Indian epic where the main story revolves around two branches of a family, the Pandavas and the Kauravas, who in the Kurukshetra war battle for the throne of Hastinapur. Interwoven into this narrative are several smaller stories about people dead or living and philosophical discourses. Krishna Dvaipayan Vyas, himself a character in the epic, composed it as according to tradition. He dictated the verses and Ganesha wrote them down. At 100,000 verses, it is the longest epic poem ever written. Generally thought to have been composed in the 4th century BCE or earlier. The events in the epic play out in the Indian subcontinent and surrounding areas. It was first narrated by a student of Vyas at a snake sacrifice of the great grandson of one of the major characters of the story. Including within it the Bhagavad Gita, the Mahabharata is one of the most important texts of ancient Indian, indeed world literature.
Revenge can only be found on the road of self destruction. The problem with revenge is that it never evens the score. It ties both the injured and the injurer to an escalator of pain. Both are stuck on the escalator as long as parity is demanded, and the escalator never stops. Sticking up for what you believe in builds your self respect because you're following through with your values. Standing your ground also gains respect from others even if they view things differently than you. Just having the guts to stand up for yourself shows the kind of person you are. You aren't a pushover. Been proved many times that words spoken without any real knowledge and statements given without any true understanding have often created trouble and controversies. Words thus occurred thoughtlessly have created mess which is cleared often by apologies. Thus, if one wants to stay away from troubles, one has to learn to be aware of one's own world around and continuously gather knowledge as readily as children enjoy gathering flowers in garden during springtime. Friendship is one special bond that you cannot replace with any other bond. The kind of connection you have with your friends will never be found in any other relationship. It is something unique that links two people who look out for each other. Karna had the most tragic life than any other character in the epic Mahabharata. He spent his life trying to prove he was better than Arjun and the best archer of all. The history is witness of how many obstacles he faced in his path, and when at last Karna fights Arjun, he proved his worth. When just to kill Karna, Arjun and Krishna had to cheat and attack him when he was helpless. After Karna's birth, Krishna showed him his true form and taught him these precious lessons that you learn. Greed means a strong selfish desire for something. People who are greedy can never be happy in their life because greed can never be satisfied. It is something which has no limit. One can even murder people to become powerful or become rich. Greed makes people blind. A strong woman is someone who isn't afraid to share her opinions and speak her truth. She listens, but she does not allow others' problems to bring her down. She is filled with kindness, generosity, compassion, integrity, a willingness to be vulnerable, and authenticity. No matter what, she is true to herself.